Guangzhou Zhongwen Machinery Equipment Company Limited. 50 years of industry excellence. For 5 decades, we've pioneered customized automation solutions. We specialize in R&D, production, and integration of bespoke automation equipment and tooling fixtures tailored to client specifications. Core expertise: fire safety manufacturing. We deliver unmatched technical expertise in cylinder production, powder filling, and assembly systems for the fire protection industry. Our solutions ensure high quality, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness through complete manufacturing equipment, management systems, and automated production lines. Why global clients choose us? Expert team, multidisciplinary mechanical or electrical engineers, and dedicated project managers. Reliable supply chain, premium custom components, and genuine branded parts. Rigorous quality control ensures safety and operational excellence. Competitive edge, comprehensive expertise, vertical line rapid response, vertical line strong service commitment. Flagship solutions: first, rolled bottle production line, fully automated pipe cutting and forming line, single or double head seam welding machine, hydraulic plate rolling machine, rotary high-speed valve seat welding machine, automatic capping system, multi-station leak detector, base ring assembly equipment. Second, stretch bottle manufacturing, fully automated capping line, blanking, and initial stretching system, complete welding solutions. Third, fire extinguisher assembly equipment, dry powder and water-based foam filling machines, valve fastening systems, gas filling devices, labeling and packaging equipment, and various stand-alone machines. Choose us, achieve manufacturing excellence. Guangzhou Zhongwen, precision engineering excellence achieved.